Welcome to the SchedFAST Payments page. In this video, we will walk you through how to navigate the Payments page and interact with its features. The Payments page provides you with a list of all your payments made by your customers for services rendered. At a glance, you have the date the payment was made, which appointment number the payment was applied to, the customer who made the payment, and what they used for the payment, and payment transaction information. One of the easiest things you can do is use the links within the list to access payment information. By clicking the appointment number, you get the invoice for services rendered. The last name link brings you to the appointment information that corresponds with the payment made. On this page, you have the ability to search for specific payments. First, you can search by text. Perhaps there is a specific customer you want to search for. Simply enter the name and click Search. The more text you enter, the narrower your list becomes. The application searches across all fields that contain text. Next, you can search by payment date. Simply click the field and locate the date you want. You can navigate between months. Once you've found what you're looking for, then choose a date. Once selected, click Search. All payments for that date appears. Last, you can search by payment type. You can search by credit card, check, or cash. Simply select the option and click Search. All payments made by that type appears. From this page, you have the option to view a list of all outstanding balances. The Outstanding Balances page provides you with a list of all outstanding balances for your customers. At a glance, you have the appointment with the outstanding balance, the customer associated with the appointment, and the amount of the outstanding balance. Just as with the Payments page, you can click the links to access the invoice and appointment details. You can also search for a particular outstanding balance. Most importantly, you can process payments for any outstanding balances. Simply click the Pay Invoice button and process a payment. You also have the ability to email the customer. By clicking the email icon, an email is automatically sent to the customer with a link for the amount due so they can pay the balance online via a credit card. Let's return to the Payments page. From the Payments page, you can view a report of any voided invoices. The Voided report provides you with a list of all invoices that have been voided. At a glance, you have the appointment number, the date and time the invoice was voided, the customer associated with the invoice, the amount of the invoice, and why the invoice was voided. Just as with the Payments and Outstanding Balances page, you can search for a particular voided invoice by either the appointment or invoice number or voided date. To view the voided invoice, click the appointment number link, and that invoice information appears. On this page, you have the ability to perform specific actions for each payment line. First is the ability to process a refund. Refunds can only be issued for cash or check transactions. From here, you can select a payment type to use when processing the refund. Let's take a look at each of the payment types. First is check. Here you enter the check number and the check amount to refund. Then you have the payment type cash. Here you enter the cash amount to refund. Last is your ability to enter any notes for the refund. For example, the reason the refund was issued. Next is the ability to see a history. You get the history of payments received as well as refunded. The last action you can take is to view information on any payments that have been declined. You can view the declined reason and enter any notes. And that makes up the features of the SchedFAST Payments page. If you have any questions about SchedFAST or would like to schedule a demonstration, please contact us at 1-888-754-1885. You can also try the application free for 30 days. Simply click the free trial button on the website's homepage and get started today. Thanks for viewing our video. When you have a chance, check out some of the other videos we have in the Learning Center. Thank you and have a great day.